Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look, and taste the Nestle Les Recettes d'Atelier chocolate with whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a blonde chocolate bar with whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. And here is some of the product literature, as well as the nutritional information of the Nestlé's Les Recettes d'Atelier chocolate with whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. So now let's go ahead and open up the packet. And just to show you the size of the chocolate bar, so a pretty large chocolate bar, as you can see. And size-wise, this is 195 grams. Okay, so I'm just going to set the paper back down again. And let's peel back the aluminium foil to reveal the chocolate bar. So right there, you can see the lumpiness of the chocolate bar on the flat side. And I can smell straight away the rich, sweet smell of the chocolate bar. And they're calling this the blonde chocolate bar. So you can see it looks like a slightly caramel colored bar. And let's take a look at the top side. And isn't that beautiful? With those whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. And you can see they're sectioned in a row of 4 by 5 altogether, just to show you the entire bar. Let's peel it back, and this is where the chocolate will start melting in my hands. I'm going to give you that close-up look of this really beautiful chocolate bar, the Nestlé Les Recettes d'Atelier chocolate with whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. So you can see those complete full pieces of almond and hazelnut. And just to show you how chunky that is, so a fairly thick chocolate bar. And once again on the back side, I'm giving you a close-up look at that texture of the chocolate to see those wavy and lumpy lines that form the base or underside of that chocolate bar, and on the top side right there. Beautiful coloring, and of course nice big whole pieces of almonds and hazelnuts in each section. Okay, so now let's break off a piece right there, and just to show you that cross section right there as well. So you can see those whole pieces of nuts in each chocolate section, and look how full each section is with nuts. There's almost more nuts than there is chocolate to this chocolate bar. So let's go ahead and taste it now. So it's really smooth, and there's plenty of nuts in it, as you can obviously see. And it's very subtly sweet tasting. No overpowering sweet taste to this chocolate bar, with a nice full nutty texture to it, as you can see from obviously being filled with plenty of nuts. So that's the Nestle Les Recettes d'Atelier chocolate with whole roasted almonds and hazelnuts. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!